It's time to go inside innovation, brought to you by Allegiant, pioneering safety. Global marketing tech company Emarsys has a new CEO. Joanna Milliken has been at the helm, just really getting ready to start in that new role, and is already mapping out some big plans for her first 6 months in the new role. And I'm pleased to welcome her to the show to learn more about those plans and how they might impact the North American headquarters of the company right here in Indianapolis. Joanna, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here with you today.
Yeah, you didn't grow up here, but you have strong technology roots here. I found this an amazing statistic. You were the employee number one, after the founders, employee number one at ExactTarget.
Absolutely. I have been here in the marketing technology scene since day one with ExactTarget. So really, really proud of that heritage. It's literally 20 years ago. In August that I started with ExactTarget, and just a mere 20 years later, here I am, CEO at Emarsys.
Yeah, CEO at Emarsys, a big job, and you're literally just now taking the helm. You come to Emarsys from the tech giant SAP, which acquired Emarsys. Talk about that role. Talk about your role, the vision you have for the company.
Yeah, absolutely. So Emarsys is fully owned by SAP, and SAP is a top 5 tech giant globally, powering 60%, I think, of the world's business in some capacity in the back office. And they acquired Emarsys here to be a part of the broader portfolio of their customer experience solutions. And it's just going to give us a lot more horsepower in the market and help us fuel our growth plans even more and faster than we could have on our own.
Yeah, Joanna, give us a thumbnail description of Emarsys. 4,000 plus customers, a lot of retail and e-commerce. What is it that Emarsys does?
Yeah, Emarsys stems from email marketing systems, and so it's a marketing technology platform. We provide marketers the ability to gather and collect data in a really permission and trusted way, and use that to personalize their marketing campaigns across all channels. And so what we do with that platform, though, that's a little different than some, is that we're really, really hyper-focused as a team and as a product on those outcomes, and really helping the marketers get time to value more quickly than they can using some other solutions. So.
As you look at your vision, you're just now getting into the role, certainly, but where do you see the direction, if you will, of Emarsys going on, the opportunities that you see in this really challenging environment when it comes to retail?
Yeah, it's a super challenging environment because, marketers, it's a tough time to be a marketer, and the average tenure of a CMO is the lowest it's ever been. And so our customers are stressed and really working hard to meet the demands of COVID and what's happening in the retail industry. And of course, then that presents opportunity for us to help them. So Emarsys has been growing on its own pretty significantly year over year. And again, with SAP, we can supercharge that growth, but also it gives us an opportunity to expand our reach. So we have an opportunity to extend into new industries, new geographies, and really bring our mission and bring that power back to the marketer, as we call it, more globally and all over the world than we already do today.
Yeah, final question for you, Joanna, as you look, and you've got great perspective on the growth of the tech ecosystem here in Indianapolis and more broadly in Indiana, but Emarsys, a great example of a marketing tech company, 100 plus employees, North American headquarters here, with SAP as the owner. SAP is another big tech player with an interest and a presence in Indiana.
Yeah, I think it says a lot, right, about what we have here in Indianapolis that I've been so proud of and trying to help grow for so long. They see the expertise that we've developed, particularly in the marketing ecosystem, but also the talent. So we have all that experience. We're still reaping the rewards from ExactTarget and Primo and Interactive Intelligence. And then you combine that with all the early talent we have from our great universities. It's just a perfect match. And SAP, doesn't make these decisions lightly, as you can imagine, and They were very deliberate about Indianapolis. So.
Very good. Joanna Milliken is the new CEO at Emarsys. Joanna, thanks very much. Congratulations on the new role. Look forward to having you on the show many times in the future.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.